Hello guys, welcome to my channel Answer 101 and I hope you all are doing well. So today our video topic is Instagram full overview. So this is the front page of Instagram when you open the app, different type of reels, and when you click the profile button, here the option of edit profile. You can change your profile picture here and also add bio, and you can also change your username which lasts for 14 days, and there is option of post, followers and followings. People you follow will appear in followings, and here the option of share profile. If you want to share your profile, you can share from here. And I hope I will give all the overview of Instagram, and here you can post different things if you want. So this is the home page of Instagram. The people you follow, their post will appear here. Okay, and you can also like, comment and share your post. And this is the search icon from where you can search any page you want, and here you can scroll to spend your spare time. So there is also an option for posting videos. Touch this plus icon and you can post the videos from here. And this is the option for different type of reels. You can like the reel, comment the reel and share the reel with your friends easily. And this is the heart option from where notification will appear. The people who follow you, who like your story, will mention you, will be mentioned here. And here you can chat with your friends. Request option, the people who wants to send you message will be appear here. And if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the videos and share it. Thank you.